Hi, I'm Hannah. I work here at Marshall Aerospace in Cambridge and I'm also an RAF Reservist. This is Hangar 2, our components bay. I'll give you a look around. I'm with 2623 Squadron, which is a regiment reserve squadron at RAF Honington. It's amazing, I love it there. So Marshals are amazing with me being in the RAF Reserves. I found them on the Armed Forces Covenant. Particularly in my interview, I remember explaining that I was an RAF Reservist, and Amy, my manager, she said to me, she was like, we'll support you with whatever you want to do. And for me, that is all I ask for.
We've gained somebody that's got commitment and passion and drive and, you know, the ability and wants to learn, but also that dedication to do something outside.
It's so special to me to be part of the reserves and to be able to share that with my employer and them really be interested is for me the main thing.
It's intriguing and the team like to, ask her questions about what she's done. She done the King's coronation, which was fascinating, and I think every one of us watched it just so we could see if we could point Hannah out. She brings that enthusiasm and that practical capability to the team and different skills.
I never thought that I would want a job which did actually interlink with the RAF. I always thought I wanted them to be separate, but it's so interesting seeing the work that's done here and actually knowing that it does link a little bit into what I do in the RAF. And especially the first time I actually saw a C-130 was when I came here for my interview. So that was quite a cool little buzz moment, and now I sit in my office and see them outside my window every day. To me, being in the RAF Reserves was going onto the ranges, doing, the general kind of CQB, the activities that we do on the weekends, but now it gives that so much bigger picture than just, oh, I buy parts for planes. I buy parts for planes that helps them enable to save lives and make a change. So that's definitely something I hadn't thought about till recently, and then actually it's like, okay, this is a pretty cool job we get to do.